Hi guys, welcome back. In our last episode, we explored what NRI banking is all about. Today, let's go deeper and understand the three main types of NRI accounts you can open in India: NRE, NRO, and FCNR accounts. To make it simple, let's understand the concepts of these accounts by following the imaginary story of Ravi, an NRI working in Dubai. NRE account. Ravi earns in dirhams and wants to send money to India for savings. An NRE, or non-resident external account, is perfect for this. He deposits his foreign earnings, and the account holds them in Indian rupees. The best part? Both the money he puts in and the interest he earns can be sent back abroad anytime. Plus, the interest is tax-free in India. It's ideal for NRIs like Ravi who want to save securely in India without losing flexibility. NRO account. Now, Ravi also owns a flat in Mumbai that earns him rent. For this kind of Indian income, he needs an NRO, or non-resident ordinary account. It's designed to manage money earned in India, like rent, dividends, or pension. The account is in Indian rupees, but unlike the NRE account, there are some limits on how much money he can send abroad from it. Also, the interest earned here is taxable in India. So, it's best for NRIs who still have financial ties back home. FCNR account. Ravi wants to park some of his savings in foreign currency to avoid exchange rate ups and downs. That's where the FCNR, or foreign currency non-resident account, comes in. It's a fixed deposit account held in currencies like USD, GBP, or EUR. The money stays in foreign currency, so it's protected from rupee fluctuations. Like the NRE account, both the deposit and interest are fully repatriable, and the interest is tax-free in India. It's great for NRIs who want global stability with Indian bank safety. So, as Ravi's story shows, each account has its own role to play. Choosing the right one helps NRIs to send and save money in India with ease, handle income from both abroad and within India, stay protected from currency ups and downs, and make the most of available tax benefit. With Bank of Maharashtra, opening and managing NRI accounts is simple, secure, and seamless. From easy onboarding to dedicated customer service, every step is designed for comfort and confidence. For queries or assistance, reach out at 8956032176 or nriservices@mahabank.co.in. Stay tuned for the next episode.